Was at a listening session last week, and I thought that I was gonna hear some type of another type of music. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you're expecting to hear a lot of goof goof.
Okay.
Little doof
Plus, we
doof.
are in the times, Vele.
Do you know what I'm saying? A little doof doof, a lot of
Gang.
I was absolutely taken aback by the music that I heard. Tabo Small, my brother, welcome to Belly FM.
It's better. Sure. Good to be home.
Hey man, this is your home, my brother. Baba waiting barake Tabo Majaivan.
Baru ko PTHS, kadi athletics, no shaba.
Degelo belai de thata.
So to bilo Majaivan.
Ke thomile ke le majaivan go kasi kwa. So sha mo Pretoria mo di semi max tse. Bona PTHS ya ne represent strong.
I went. How does that evolve from being Majaivan to starting the music thing and getting on that trajectory?
I mean, dancing is beat, bro. Like, and when you're a dancer, you want something that you can dance to, like that you can control. So what better way of not producing your own mixes to dance to? So that's how it started. Pila Libo Baxi, DJ Baxi Mola. We would just create like a production of songs, like a mashup of songs, just so we can have like a routine of dancing. And sure.
Oh man, that's remarkable, bro. And from there, how did that then turn into let's focus on the music now? Let's you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the first evolution, I'm guessing.
Yeah, no, messing around with Fruity Loops and understanding beat and understanding rhythm and time. I think that all fell into place by just virtue of saying, like, I wanna dance to my own music, and like and yeah, man, it just went into production, and here we are today. From that dancing rhythm, tapping on the floor, to creating a beat via that tapping on the floor.
Wow,
look, man,
that's amazing.
a lot of people take for granted that you are a library of music. Like already file it with music, and where does I want to find out where it comes from? You know, was it a family thing? No music
Is it a talent that you were born with? You know?
Yeah, no. I think it's actually which I'm thankful for. I grew up in a family Yasnari. My dad Nashapa Vainali. My mom was a gospel singer,
Wow.
like a lead singer, and yeah, man, hudile kamo music imbabo tle kamontlung, and it made sense for me to say, actually, let me just push what Batswadi were doing, and yeah, with the passion again, the talent,
Did they support
combined.
you in your decision?
100%. But you know, always when you start, it's
It's like a taking.
yeah, because I was working and I just quit the job, and I was like, you know what, I go get Tasnar.
You know what, man? I want to get into this, right? So you're famous. We know you're famous. We all know you.
Yeah.
We all know you. We all know you. But we want to know on this show today, do you know yourself?
100%, Bragg. I started by knowing myself barely before I could offer people Tabo Smaller, but like so I knew myself from day one or industry in my life, and yeah, 100% I know myself.
I like that.
Let's see your percentage when we ask you questions about yourself.
Yeah, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it, man. Let's
First
get
question: when did you drop the Black Motion sophomore album Moya wa Taola? The date.
The date.
it. The exact date.
The exact date.
Mm.
Yo. I think it was sometime September.
Mm.
I think it was sometime September, if not the first. Boma the 14 or so. I think.
Which year?
2000. I think it was 2018.
Okay.
2018. Yeah,
All right,
2018.
cool. Final answer, you sure?
Yeah, 18.
All right, cool. How many followers do you have on Instagram right now?
Hey, I don't know. I don't check those
There
things.
we go.
Give us a guess.
Probably 140 something.
Okay. Which date did the interview on Music Politics with Boosie, the Queen of Pretoria, drop?
Which date?
Which date?
It was it a Friday? I think it was the 20 something May.
When did your episode on podcast and chill drop?
Sometime in March 23, ne? 23 or 24? Yeah, 23. Yeah, March the 20 something.
Okay, last question. What is the 13th song on your debut album, The Two Birds Are Small?
Yeah.
Yo! Eh, jo ke tsedi ntši ke tse ka ape ke rolela ka pina tse 28.
Yeah. What?
No, I don't wanna lie. Ke lebetse. Yo, ke lebetse.
All right, man. Look, let's give you the answers, man. And this is sort of us getting to know you as well. So it's a
Sure.
part of the interview. So when did you drop the Black Motion sophomore album, Moya wa Taola? It was the 5th of October, 2018.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, October.
Your followers on you have a
Yeah. So I don't wanna talk about the Black Motion thing and how y'all break up and what. I think people can follow you on social media. But
Sure.
more the podcasting over let's go on.
Yeah.
I think the one thing I want to focus on is the being able to adapt, to move from this to that, evolve and leave things behind.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like you started off come you left that. And move on you left that.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Or evolve, you
Yeah.
went to the music production, you left that now. And your music nane Black Motion, understand?
Sure,
You kept that
sure.
alive and then you left that. Now you're pivoting into jazz.
Yeah,
Tell
sure,
me
sure,
what your relationship is to change.
Changes needed more pillow Brayaka, and at some point it's not a complete change, it's just growth one time. So with Black Motion, it's not changing and it's not leaving it, but it's growing in it. And Black Motion is forever, Brayaka. It will be there until my last breath. I like 100% sure of that. But it's growing into the music and growing into something that you think or people will understand, where like the age is as well, being in the industry for so many years and trying something different that also makes sense for them. So I think you grow to Braka more than leaving it. Yeah, I think I would call it growth.
I don't know, Horotman, you know.
True. We asked you how many followers you have on Instagram. You said 140 something. It's actually 245,000.
Oh, okay.
Ostadio.
That's why we told you you're famous.
Yeah, you know.
Talking about social media, how seriously do you take social media?
Braga, social media. I'm dope in real life, so
Damn.
Let's go. Let's go.
So hey, social media. If what you wanna
Show.
like what you wanna show, and I mean more pages it's mostly the joke, it's mostly funny posts and music what I'm doing, not or and whatever. So social media for now is just that platform. Okay, let's keep in touch. At that moment, not how I'm living.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you really are dope in real life. I'll tell you that.
True. Then we asked you which date did the interview on Music Politics with Boosie, Queen of Pretoria, drop. I think you said something about the 20-something of March or whatever. It was the 20th of May.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you were close though. I remember your answer was very close. I was like, ish.
Kill me. Oh, I'm putting
And then we also asked you, when did your episode on podcast and chill drop? It was the 15th of February. Your team was right, 2024.
Oh yeah, 24.
It was 24, man. It was 24. And, there was a whole lot of dramas regarding her mama, Ujilo Ajile. And then you're trend. How much did that affect you when stories like that trend and stuff like that?
No, bro, never to like to blame me, especially when it comes to these controversial things. I mean, I just took it like it was, and Kaibia Street, and I. The morning I feel or try to make it
That looks
serious.
weird.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now and I Peter and whatever. I mean, we human beings and we do the lots of where go kai and then dino but
Yeah.
like nearly whatever like nearly
No sides
No, I will tabulate it.
No, I was like,
Three.
whoa, okay.
Oh.
I never expected it. Last question is, what is the 13th song on your debut solo album, The Two Bats Are Small? It's To Julia with Love, featuring Sol Mariope, Mr. Mercedes, and Spice Drums.
Come on. But let's talk about your brand new project, my brother.
Yep.
The amount of like work that went into it, because it just doesn't sound like something that's rushed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, like it's oh man, it for the vision it took years and understanding where I wanted to be in terms of music. But like the final product had to work with the people that saw the vision and the people and one of them is being Mr. Mercedes in studio. Lerena is here.
Let's go.
Yeah, so Mr. Mercedes saw the vision and we just went on and learn make it a sense. And then there was Spice Drums. Wabe Italian is like music, like it's just walking musicians or music and like musicians. It's just like it's a cool. And having to work with them on this album like made me understand what like the vision is solid and we're moving forward. And yeah, it's a jazz album.
Hey man, there are people who appreciate that album more than you actually know. I think we have a voice note. From someone who wanted to, to show you love and appreciation about what it is that you did on the album, right?
Sure.
We'll play it a little bit later because right now the Bluetooth is not connected. I get one. And you know, blessed Lena, she just sent a voice note. I'm a big fan over here.
Sure, tini.
Tini. So
There we
let's
go.
sort that out and then
Okay. Cool stuff, man. Look, the man is here, and it'll be a mess if we don't share the music with the people.
Yeah.
So we're getting into the mix right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. He's about to get on the ones and twos and give us a fire mix. I hope you're ready for this one. Put that volume up. Woo!
The drive-through, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m.